Welcome ladies and gentlemen to our Improver Partner Work Tutorial 2. Let's begin. So starting off with the guys. Guys, we're on the left foot basic step, forwards and together and then back and together. Last time on the left, forwards and together, and then on the right Cuban turn, hook, step, land. We're going to lead one open, 1, 2, 3, and then on the right foot we're going to turn back, forwards and turn. We're going to turn the ladies 1, 2, 3. Now guys, on the open, hooking on the right, you're going to hook behind, forwards and together, bringing your right arm over and taking hold, swapping to your right hand. On the left foot, you're going to cross over on the left, stepping back with the right and together, bringing your right hand to the side. Now guys, as we step out to the side on the right, we're going to shoot the right arm behind, all the way behind your back, as long as it's comfortable on your shoulder. Step in place on the left, starting to duck under, and then we're going to turn, swapping the hand to your left hand, coming up to face your partners. On the left foot, we're going to move around our partners, stepping out, across and pivot, picking up the lady's left hand with your right, so you've got both hands now guys. We're going to do like a Cuban turn, hook, step and rotate, raising both hands. You're going to turn the ladies on the left foot, stepping out, across and pivot, taking both of the ladies' hands into your right hand guys. Lowering the hand, we're going to turn for ourselves, stepping back, forwards and turn, swapping the ladies' left hands, both of her hands into your left hand. We're going to lead the ladies into one last turn, stepping out, across and pivot before we close guys, stepping back and together, taking both hands over your head and into your basic hold. And that ends the guys part of the routine.
Okay ladies, so we're going to start like the men did with our basic steps. So right foot going backwards, 1, 2, 3, left foot forward, 5, 6, again, 1, 2, stop into our Cuban turn, stepping out with the left, across with the right, together with the left, straight into one open and right foot back and together. He's let go, something's about to happen. We now do our out across together because he's going to turn. Out, across, together. Now, we have another turn. Ready? Back on the right and turn. Another out across together and left foot out, across, together. We should be behind our guy at this point. Now, we're going to do an around the world, so hook your right foot behind, hook and together. We're right next to our partner, nice and close. We're going to do another out across together, but more of a small step walk around. Ready? Left foot out, across, together. Okay? Good. The next part, men's going to do a turn for us, and back and together. Left foot going out across together, out, across, together. Same again. Right foot back and together. Left foot out, across, together. Last turn and 1, 2, 3. Left foot goes straight back and together. Great.
Okay, that ends our Improvers Tutorial 2. Well done guys. See you all next time.